Hello my dear children, I hope you all are very fine and safe. In the last class, I discussed about to you through the video the nouns and the kinds of nouns. And I explained to you the noun is a name of anything. Whatever we call by name, that is called noun. Now through this video, we are going to learn nouns singular and plural. Now let me explain what is singular noun. A noun that names one person, one animal, one place or one thing is called singular noun. So what is singular noun? A noun that names one person, animal, place or thing is called a singular noun. For example, a boy, a cat, a house, a pen. So what is singular noun? A noun that names one person, one animal, one place or one thing is called singular noun. Now let us see what is plural noun. A noun that names more than one person, animal, place, thing is called plural noun. A noun that names more than one person, animal, place, thing is called plural noun. For example, boys, cats, flowers, houses. So, what is plural noun? A noun that names more than one person, animal, place, thing is called plural noun. We add s to the most of the nouns to show plural form. For example, cow, cows, we are adding s to the noun. So it becomes a plural form. Finger, we are adding s to the noun. So it becomes fingers. Vegetable, if we add s, it becomes a plural form, vegetables. And some of the noun, which noun is finishing with ch, sh, o, s, ss, x, z. We add to that noun es to make a plural form. For example, ostrich, we are adding es to the ostrich. So it becomes ostriches. Dish, we are adding es to the noun to make a plural form, dishes. Mango, mangoes. Bus, buses. Princess, it's finishing with the ss. So princesses. Fox, finishing with the x. Foxes. Finishing with the z. Quiz, quizzes. Some of the noun will finish with the vo, but we cannot add es to the noun. For example, finishing with the, suppose for example, piano. Finishing with the vo. We cannot add pianos. Yes, we cannot add. We have to add s to the noun to make a plural form. Ox. We cannot write oxes. This is a wrong noun. So, it is a oxen. So, some of the noun will finish with the o, x. But we have to add only s, not es. The nouns that end in a consonant followed by y change into plural form by changing the y into I, and then we have to add es. We have to remove y, then we will add I and es to the noun for the plural form. For example, city, finishing with the y. So we have to remove this y, then we have to add I, es, cities to make a plural form. Lady, finishing with y. We are removing y, we are adding IES, ladies. The same, baby, babies. And some of the noun will finish with the Y. But we need not to remove the Y and we need not to add IES. For example, key. Just we are adding S to the key. Key, keys. Some noun have the same form in singular and plural. For example, sheep, hare, deer. The nouns will remain in singular also the same as well as the plural also same. Few singular nouns form their plural by changing the inside vowel or vowels. Okay, what are the letters vowels? A, E, I, O, U. For example, man. A is a vowel here. Here what we learned that the vowels inside the vowel or vowels will change. Man will change into men, E. Tooth, this O, double O is a vowel. It change into teeth. Mouse will change into mice. There are two types of nouns. One is regular noun, another one is irregular nouns. Regular nouns and irregular nouns. Now let us see the regular noun singular and the plural. Chair, chairs. Pen, pens. Table, tables. Just we added S to the noun to make a plural form because the regular noun will finish with the S ending. Now let us see the irregular nouns singular and the plural. Man, men. Child, children. Mouse, mice. Now one thing you can observe, they are not finishing with the S ending because the irregular nouns totally the noun will change. They will not, we cannot add S ending to the nouns. So my dear children, let us revise. What are the things we learned today? We learned what is singular noun and what is plural noun. And the plural noun, adding S to the noun, ES, IES, VES, removing Y and adding IES, and what is regular and the irregular nouns. Thank you.